Ever feel like you're playing hide and seek with your important documents in Docusign? Today, we'll cut through the confusion and show you exactly where to enter your document code to access those crucial agreements. First, log into your Docusign account. You'll land on your dashboard, which usually shows your inbox. Next, look at the navigation bar at the top of your screen. Find and click the Documents tab. This is your central hub for all things document related within Docusign. Now, on the Documents page, you'll see a search bar, usually located at the upper right. This search bar is your key to unlocking documents with a specific code. Carefully type your document code into the search bar. Double check to ensure accuracy, because even a small typo can prevent you from finding your document. It is also important to note that document codes are case sensitive. Once you've entered the code, hit enter or click the search icon. Docusign will then display the document associated with that code in the search results. Click on the document from the search results to open it and view its contents, and that's it. You've successfully located and accessed your document using the document code. No more hide and seek.